The Airy Castle Bridge in Stony Hill, St. Andrew collapsed earlier today, restricting vehicular access in and out of several communities. To compound the horror of residents, pipelines have also been damaged, leaving many without water. More in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
The Airy Castle Bridge in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. It has served the people well for many years. But with little or no improvement to its frame since it was installed, it has finally cracked under the pressure, literally. On Sunday morning, residents, most of whom were traveling to church for their customary morning worship, found fissures had opened up on both sides where the bridge meets the land.
Only per years and they don't refurbish the bridge, they don't service it, nothing at all. So they wait until something drastic happens before they start coming out to look about the bridge, and we don't have any more alternative. This is the only way in and out.
As in and out. How we going to go in or come out? We driving us. I mean, I know how long it going to take we to get it back. We feel bad about it, man.
All right.
We miss it too.
For many of the residents, crossing the bridge Sunday became a nerve test. Some found courage and walked across. Others would not chance it. As for driving across, well, some thought about it, but sensibly decided to park their cars and wait. Then, Member of Parliament for West Rural St. Andrew, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn, was on location.
Some heavy trucks have been coming across here for the last week and a half or so, with some construction going on not too far from here. And I don't know if you saw the sign, but there's a sign there that says no more than 12 tons or 12 tons. And that's possibly one of the cause.
The MP knows Monday morning means school and work. Therefore, a temporary alternate route will have to be crafted.
It has also compromised the water system, because the water that serves the entire Stony Hill area, Temple Hall, parts of Stillwell, and Jacks Hill, parts of Jacks Hill, there is no water at this time because the pipe, there's some huge pipes underneath that got burst in the process of this bridge being broken apart. And so we have contacted, the council and I, we have contacted all the agencies. NWA, they will be here with a technical team.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.